Good evening and welcome to Business Hook's Daily News Podcast, where we get your roundup of the day's top business stories. I'm Avni Raja, and today is the 1st of August 2024. First up, today's trading action. Indian equities started the session higher, with the Sensex reaching 82,000 for the first time and the Nifty surging past 25,000. Although both indices gave up some of those early gains, they managed to close in the green for the fifth straight session. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei ended the day down 2.5%. The index was dragged down by a sharp decline in shares of real estate companies and top exporters, which slipped due to a strengthening yen. A strong yen leads to higher borrowing costs and lower export competitiveness. More from the global markets. Microsoft has updated its annual list of competitors, adding ChatGPT maker OpenAI to the list. The tech giant has stated it considers the Sam Altman-led AI startup a competitor in both AI and search. This comes a week after OpenAI announced a prototype of a search engine called SearchGPT. Remember, Microsoft is also a major investor in OpenAI. Hero MotoCorp has commenced operations in the Philippines. To achieve this, the Indian two-wheeler giant has partnered with Terra Firma Motors Corporation, which will serve as the assembler and distributor of the company's products and services. Hero MotoCorp is now present in 48 countries. In the earnings space, shares of Adani Enterprises rose after the company reported a 13% revenue growth, reaching over 25,000 crore rupees, and a first quarter net profit of around 1,500 crores. Food aggregator Zomato reported a delicious set of numbers. Its revenues rose 74% year-on-year to over 4,200 crore rupees. Net profit for the first quarter surged 126.5 times, reaching 253 crores. Shares of the company ended the day up nearly 4%. Following the earnings updates, here's a government move to watch. The central government has decided to monitor the wholesale and retail prices of 16 additional food items daily to stabilize rates. The updated list includes items such as suji, maida, besan and eggs, as well as ghee, butter, brinjal and bananas, along with some cereals and spices. This increases the total number of products being monitored daily to 38. Do let us know in the comments if you like this business news podcast. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Business Hook for more such content.